Yes, honey, come on. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm feeling myself because I'm cute. Oh, honey, like. Alright guys, we are back. If you were in my previous 2 videos and you now ended up here, this will be the final video for the day. Thank you guys for sticking along with me and tuning in. I haven't dropped anything like this in a minute. This actually makes recording a lot longer as opposed to just going through. But I'm not going to keep you guys any further. So, if you watched my last video, eyeshadow, previous video, brows. Now it is time for the final touches of my makeup, which is how to highlight and contour. As you can see, my face is very round right now. You don't really see much of my cheekbones because I just applied my foundation in the previous videos. I'm gonna go in with my MAKIAGE concealer. This is in the shade 13 in the I'm Flawless concealer. So all I'm gonna do is apply a lot, and I say a lot because I really like that highlight under my eye, and I want it to be thick once it starts drying. And the I'm Flawless concealer by MAKIAGE actually dries really, really fast. And I'm just gonna apply this like this. This helps bring like that natural glow that you have under your eyes, unless you're a mother like me and you have bags and dark circles. Then that's not how that works. I'm just trying to clean up some of that foundation over there. Also, with me putting that concealer up that way, it kind of gives me a more pulled eye look. Like I said, I'm just gonna kind of let that dry a little bit. And I'm gonna do my lip. I like to connect the concealer just so it doesn't have like any holes in it, which makes it look really weird or like you have on a mask. Now we're gonna go in a circular motion on my chin. Bring one down the bridge of my nose. And bring this one up here. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now is take a beauty blender and do my chin, because I don't like for those parts to get too dry. I like to get those immediately. We'll blend that out. Now we're gonna get the top part of this head kid and kind of bring that down in between the brows. And if you have to, if you've been this along with me and you are actually following along with me, I'm gonna bring that down in the middle of your brows. And so we have that there. See? Creating that natural highlight. So I'm gonna change out my beauty blender for another Real Techniques brush. I actually like to use the setting brush for my concealer and dab it on here, because I feel like the beauty blender tends to like take the concealer off, and that's not what we want. Come on, sis. And we're just gonna blend this out upward. I'm trying to keep you away from my eyeshadow. There we go. And blend it out upwards, because like I said, I really want that pulled eye look. And I know you got to, it says this concealer is really light. Yeah, that's the point. I want to keep that highlight highlighted. That's what we're aiming for, that nice highlighted look. I'm trying to blend as fast as I can for y'all so y'all not sitting here forever. So as you can see, bag's gone, any blemish that might have been there, gone, and redness is gone. See the change already? So that's that. And now we're gonna get this nose, and we're gonna blend upward, then we're gonna come back down, then we're gonna go back up. And that's just to start this whole pinched nose effect. And if you feel like your eyebrows are getting lost within that stuff again, just go back in with your spoolie, which is exactly what I'm about to do, and just fix that. All right. So now we're gonna go into the Air Sponge translucent powder, and we're gonna set everything that we just concealed. This also, by putting it on my nose, is going to aid in that pinched effect that you want when you're contouring your nose. We're going to go on the other side now. And I always get those weird creases like right by my mouth. I guess you can call those like smile creases, but I hate those. And I don't want that in my makeup. I'm gonna put some translucent powder right there. And we're looking over the ghostly right now, so we're gonna dust it off eventually. I'm gonna put some up the bridge of my nose. So now what I'm gonna do is take this Sigma brush. This is a spotlight duster, so I'm assuming that's exactly what this is for. And I'm gonna dust off all that highlighter. Wow, I'll dust off all that translucent powder that I put here. Alright, so we got those areas. Now I'm gonna go in with the Hit That SpongeBob Sandy Cheeks Blush and Bronzer palette. I'm gonna be using the bronzer out of this palette with a flathead brush. If I can figure out where I put my flathead brush. I have two of these. One of them for my blush, and I use the other one for my bronzer. Here it is. So I'm just gonna take some of this, not some, I'm gonna take a lot, and just dab that all around my forehead first. Right, you see that change already? And I'm gonna take some more and put that like right on my cheek. And I'm also gonna take some right here on my neck and right under my chin. Yeah, right. Now time to snatch this nose with the same bronzer. See? Pinching this nose, sis. And we're gonna make sure it's enough on there. Also, what I like to do when I'm doing my nose contour, I like to blend downwards, kind of on where that translucent powder was. And then I like to go back in with that same translucent powder and just kind of clean it up some. I don't let it sit, I dust it off immediately. So then now, for my last step of contour, I'm going to go into the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm going to actually contour now. Where's my brush at? Put some over here by my temples. So I like to kind of press it in for my cheekbones. I like to smile a little bit just so I can make sure I have it in the right spot. Little circular motions too, just so it's not just sitting in one spot. Here we go. Yeah, see what I'm doing? Cheekbone. Presents. Dab it in there. Next part, circular motion. Dab a little bit more in there. Think about that. So then now I'm gonna go back into that translucent powder and just put a little bit under my cheekbone, just ever so lightly. carving it out. Like I said, I'm not gonna let these sit either. I'm gonna dust it off immediately. There we go. So now I can add my blush. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Wine. My Kylie Cosmetics one is actually really bright. I like it, but for more playful looks. So I like to dab this on here. I don't like to go too heavy-handed because I like to keep the redness kind of natural. And voila. But I am going to go into the ColourPop Cosmetics in the shade Pearlize with my highlighter brush, specifically for high cheekbones with Sigma brushes. And watch the magic, watch the magic. Starting to come in play. I like to start off light so that way I know how much there it is. I want to build up in there. You see that? I'm gonna do the same for the other side now. Get with it, honey. Highlighter. Whoever said don't using too much highlighter, you need to shut the fuck up because I'm using just enough. There we go. And I think we're gonna. Right there. Right. So just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and speed through my lip combination. Don't mind me, I just found my bunny rabbit ears, my cat ears. I don't know what to call them. I just think they're really cute. Okay, that pretty much concludes this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my little mini tutorial. Girl, bye. That was not mini, that was long. But I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on how to highlight and contour, how to do your brows, and how to put some eyeshadow, honey. Because yes, I'm feeling this. I like her. I like her. I like her. I am living. But anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please join the family, guys. Let's get out there. Let's get Imani E out there because she needs to be out there. Cause like, look at this. No, for real, guys. But if you honestly like this video, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, join the family, guys. Be up here with me while I do the tutorials for you guys. Like I said, I'm so proud of how far I've come from my previous looks, because honey, I ain't gonna bash myself because I was looking bad then, period. Like, period. I was looking good then, but I'm really proud of where I'm at now, and I cannot wait to share more content with you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe and turn on that bell so you guys won't miss Imani. Be here with me. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time. Peace. Yay.